this morning. Got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues. I'm sending gratitude.
Welcome to another video. In this video, I take you behind the scenes of how I made over this office. Since I moved from New York to Ohio, we've been here a year and a half. It'll almost be 2 years in August. And this is my home office where I run my Etsy shop. It's called Nardia K Kreations. And the color in here was like a cream color. And I wanted to paint it for a while, but I never got around to it. So I said, somehow the inspiration hit and it hit bad. So I painted it. I deep cleaned the office. And this is the result of it. The mood that I was going for was, of course, bright, creative, light, and airy. This is the brightest room in my house. I do love color. I love color, but the rest of my house is colorful, but not as bright as this. This is the brightest room in my house, and I absolutely love it. So beautiful. Like, I absolutely love this color. So this is the behind the scenes of how I did it, how I just transformed this office, my home office, into this beautiful, magical place that just represents me. I absolutely love it, you guys, and I'm so grateful to have this space that I can create in. It's a beautiful space. It's a large space, and it's just, I love the sunlight that comes through it. Like, the sunlight is, I love it. I get morning sun because I'm in the back of my house and it faces east, so I get morning sun every morning, and it's just come through a rainbow. I love it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and
got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. Truth never lie, wings we can fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye.
as you can see, I painted all the baseboards white. I just finished. I painted the baseboards and the heated vents white because they were that creamy color, the cream color like the rest of the wall. So I painted them white, so now it looks nice and crisp and clean, just like the window frame and the window trim. And now, you guys, I'm going in with the color. This is a beautiful color. It is called Periwinkle. It is by Bear, and I used the eggshell. Yeah, eggshell Bear, and the color is called Periwinkle. It is hard to explain the color. It's like a purple but blue toned. It is so magical depending on how the sun hits it. It's a different shade, but it is beautiful. At first I wasn't sure, but then after a while I was like, yes, this is the color. This is the color. Good morning, you guys. This is bright and early the next day. This is what we're working with. As you can see, the color, I love it. This is like my bright room. So as you can see, this entire side is painted, and then this side is what we have left to go. So I hope to tackle this side by today, and then we'll be done, and then I have to clean up all of this and move all the furniture back and organize. But this is the color. I love it. Sometimes I look at it, I see blue. Like right now it looks baby blue. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's gray. It's a very multi-dimensional color, and I love it. I love it so much.
woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we could fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride.
Now that all the painting is done, it's time to put all the furniture and everything back. And you guys, as you can see, I did it the lazy way. I did not want to take everything off the shelves and push the furniture back. I was just being lazy. So I did it this way. It was hard, it was time consuming. And a few times I thought I was going to break things on my desk because they're going to fall off. And it was wobbly, but I did not want to take things off the desk and push the furniture. So I just took my time and just tried my best that nothing broke, and I just kept pushing little by little, inch by inch, until I got it. Definitely took the lazy way out. Definitely did that. This is how we're looking so far. Painting is all done. I cleaned behind the furniture, like for example the windowsills. I made sure I swept and I mopped behind the furniture before I pushed it back. And this is how it's looking. Look at the light, you guys. Look at the light. Yo, I love my office space. I'm so grateful, so grateful. So now that the painting is all done, now it's time to basically organize and put things back. As you can see, this is my living room. It's a mess because this is all the things I took out of my office. I need to get it back in there, organize, deep clean all the shelves, and make it look and work and function as a real office.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we could fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, like wings we can fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh
You guys are probably wondering what's on my head. When I'm at home cleaning, I keep my hair covered majority of the time because I have locks and it's easy for me to get lint in my locks. So my hair is covered most of the time. And also because my hair is so long, it literally gets in the way of me doing things sometimes. So my hair is usually covered most of the time. So if you watch me cleaning or in any of my other cleaning videos, my hair will be covered. Just letting you guys know that's what's going on.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, and I'm sending gratitude back, cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky, we gon' make it if we try, the truth never lie, wings we could fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth's never lie, like wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy.
Here it is, you guys, the big reveal. I absolutely love it. I love it so much. I love the color. It inspires me. I painted the door white. You guys didn't see me do that, but that door right there, I painted it white off camera. It was brown before and it was bothering me. I ran out of paint and I had to go back and get more white paint, but I finally painted it white and it just completes the look. I absolutely love this room. So I'm just panning around to show you guys how it looks, how the light comes through. It is so neat. It is so nice and clean. All my products that I sell are there. If you guys don't know, my Etsy shop is called Nardia K Kreations. Definitely check it out. I sell stickers and stationery, keychains, and all of my products are basically motivational items that help you manifest and live more of an abundant life that reminds you of how abundant and rich and just wonderful your life is. And this is the other side, you guys. Look at the light. I love the light in my office. I just love it. It's just so bright and so beautiful. This is where I get to work every day. You guys don't know how grateful I am. This is where I get to work and create and be inspired. And just having this coming from where I'm coming from having my office in a room to a basement to now this beautiful space that is so large and inviting, and I could just create whenever I want to and do whatever I want in it. I am so grateful and I love it. I truly love it. Look, I had to lower the exposure so you guys didn't really see it because the light was coming in too much. Not that I'm complaining because I love the light. Look at the plants. Look, it just fills my spirit with so much joy and motivation when I see it. And just gratitude, all around gratitude. Thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. I hope you guys get inspired. And like I said, look at the light. I can't get enough of it. The color is called Periwinkle. It's by Bear, and I use the eggshell finish. And just look at the detail. Just look at it, you guys. I have no words of how great I feel in here. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, subscribe. And until my next video, I'll see you guys in the comment section. Bye.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude.